Hi, today I'm going to show you how to export an MP3 file from DaVinci Resolve 18. I have a video clip and a WAV file, and I want to export this to MP3. To do that, it's pretty easy. You just go straight to the delivery page. In this area, scroll right. Choose audio only. Now you have the options here. You need to change the format to MP3. The codec stays MP3, the bitrate strategy stays to constant bitrate, and for the data rate, there are options to choose, but since we have a stereo WAV clip, one acceptable quality value would be 192 kilobits per second. In the output track, you have three options. You can export the whole audio bus, you can choose your timeline track, and you can choose to export all timeline tracks. If I choose timeline track and the audio track I want to export is track number 1, this one here, the next thing I have to do here is to rename the file and choose the location. Hit save and finally hit add to render queue and render all. And here is our MP3 file. If you like more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and bye.